Hello, this is meteorologist John Wettenkamp with the National Weather Service office in La Crosse, Wisconsin, and here's a look at your winter weather briefing. We are expecting slippery travel tonight into the Friday morning commute, and there could be more travel impacts this weekend as another winter storm impacts the region. This first system that will impact the area through Friday morning, plan on slick travel tonight into the Friday morning commute due to a mix of snow, sleet, and perhaps light freezing rain at times, and this will impact much of the local area. Here's a look at one particular forecast model's take on how the precipitation will evolve here this evening. By early evening, light snow and a wintry mix will be found across the area, with some light freezing rain also possible. And primarily snow is expected for northern areas here by midnight, with a wintry mix closer to Interstate 90 in Wisconsin, and light freezing rain expected to the south. And the precipitation will continue through 3 a.m. Friday and continuing right on into the early Friday morning commute before exiting by mid-morning. Total snowfall through Friday morning. Plan on around a trace in far southwest Wisconsin, with around 4 to 5 inches possible over portions of northwest into north central Wisconsin, and this will lead to snow-covered and slippery roads for the morning commute. And for ice accumulation, we're expecting a glaze of ice, which could make travel rather slippery on untreated roads and sidewalks. Impacts from this first storm system, we're planning on elevated impacts across much of the region due to the snow cover and light ice accumulation. Taking a look at the winter storm, which could impact the area here Saturday into Sunday, there is low to medium confidence on snowfall amounts, but at this time we're expecting anywhere from 6 to perhaps 9 inches across portions of southeast Minnesota into north central Wisconsin. Be sure to monitor forecasts closely as we get closer to Saturday. There also could be some light icing with this event, with a glaze of ice possible in some areas due to light freezing rain. Impacts from this second storm system, there could be elevated to perhaps significant impacts from heavy snow accumulations across portions of southeast Minnesota into north central Wisconsin, and we're expected limited to elevated impacts across the rest of the area. Primary hazards will be snow-covered and slippery roads, and perhaps some light icing, which could lead to additional travel difficulties. So in summary, slippery travel is expected across much of the region tonight into the Friday morning commute. Travel could become hazardous this weekend for some areas, depending on where the heaviest snow falls. And for hazards through Friday morning, the main hazards will be from snow and light freezing rain, and Saturday into Sunday, a mixture of snow, sleet, and perhaps some light freezing rain. And again, these two storm systems will impact much of the local area. For additional information, please check our internet homepage or check us out on social media.